Hi, Joe coming at you from sunny Las Vegas where the temperature today is a little chilly at 64 degrees, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So this video today, I just want to highlight one thing that it took me a while to figure out when I got on my exercise program. That is this: you don't need too many excuses not to go out there, and if one of the excuses is the weather is a little bit inclement, and 64 degrees in Las Vegas is a little inclement, just kidding. Actually, 115 is a little bit challenging for biking. So, but the point I want to make is get yourself some equipment that gives you no reason not to go out there. Today, I was very comfortable. I got my 3 layers, and when you're riding at 30 miles an hour downhill, if you don't have the right layers on, you're going to get cold. I also have a headpiece that I took off that I put underneath my helmet, and I have the extra warm biking pants. But here's the point of all this. Don't be afraid to invest in some equipment that's going to enable you to exercise the entire year. Now, there's going to be some extremes, like I said, when it's 115 or maybe when it's rarely 30 degrees here in the morning, I probably won't go out, but I could. The point is, be able to go out there and get things done when the weather is not ideal. I hope that makes sense. Now, if you like some of the information here and you've been getting some tips that you think are useful, then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also in this next video, I'm going to talk about 5 considerations you might want to think about before you exercise. And I think this is something that for some of you that are beginning would be great information. So, hey, we'll see you in the next video.